I start my training when I come to the barn. The first thing I do when I walk up is watch them as I'm walking up the alley. When I come in here, I observe if they have eaten their food. I observe if they look stirred or happy or a little wilder than normal. And I live in West Texas, which is very windy, and I'm afraid we're going to experience a little bit of that today. That has an effect on them. The elements, if there are new horses on the place. Anyway, I observe all these things while I'm getting ready to ride them. Okay, right off the bat, when I catch the colts, I like for them to meet me. If they are going away from me when I catch them, I know that they're starting to feel stressed. That is one of the significant signs. Most of the time, a happy horse meets you at the gate. They're happy to see you. They're bored with being in their pens all the time, and they're wanting to come out and do whatever it is you want of them. I'm not saying that every day is that way. There are stressful times in a horse's life. I just am very aware of that so that I can think about whether the stress is coming from the fact that they might have been gotten a little sore and might be dreading it a little bit, or if they're just at a stage in their training that they're not loving. Anyway, my favorite thing in a perfect world is that they meet me all the time. There's another side to it. Horses, like people, have personalities. Some of them really like their job all the time. Some of them don't. I constantly am thinking of this since I train futurity horses, being aware of down the road if they're probably going to be the kind that are going to really like it and keep liking it, or if already at the age of 2 they're kind of showing me signs that this is not their favorite thing to do. So I'm very aware of them from the very beginning with the halter catching.